thank you for your good work. Distinguished relatives, former presidents, vice presidents, and board leaders are here with us. Let me especially appreciate the presence of the former UN Secretary General, my good friend Ban Ki-moon. Thank you, very sincerely. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored and humbled to be one of the recipients of the 2025 Sunhak Peace Prize Founders Awards. I pay my tribute to Father Moon, who initiated this leadership, and extend my heartfelt appreciation to Holy Mother Dr. Akpoti-Uduaghan, who is continuing with the husband's legacy, the co-founder of the Universal Peace Federation of UK. The Sunhak Peace Prize Foundation, its leadership, and the esteemed selection committee for considering me worthy of such a distinguished recognition. I appreciate you all. Let me sincerely thank Dr. Walsh for his good work, Ban Ki-moon, and my good friend Mark for your kind words. I congratulate others who have been honored today for their worthy contributions to world peace and human development. Listening to you is quite a prayer. I stand here as the son of a rural Kinu from Nigeria to Naira Delta. To be recognized on this global stage is humbling, but it also reminds us all that no dream is too big and no background too modest when the goal is set and the path is peace. I would like to especially recognize and appreciate my dear wife, Dame President Jonathan, whose love, strength, and unwavering support have been a constant source of inspiration to me. This award is not just a personal recognition, but a testament to the collective efforts of those who have worked alongside me to promote peace, democracy, and good governance across Africa. The honor belongs to every Nigerian who believes in the possibility of peace, to every African working for change, and to everyone across the world who dares to choose courage over conflict. I affirm my belief that peace is the cornerstone of development, justice, and human dignity. I therefore dedicate whatever financial benefits accruing to this award from my foundation, the Goodluck Jonathan Foundation, to continue its work of promoting peace, democracy, and inclusive development in Africa. Africa and the world at large are at a critical juncture. We are faced with persistent conflict, democratic transitions under threat, and deep economic inequality. Must reaffirm our commitment to dialogue, reconciliation, and good governance as the pillars of lasting peace. It's in this spirit that I continue to work through initiatives such as the Goodluck Jonathan Foundation, the West African Elders Forum, and the International Summit Council for Peace to support peaceful political transitions and conflict resolutions across the African continent. To be recognized by a platform as prestigious as the Sunhak Peace Prize is both humbling and motivating. This nomination serves as an impetus, not just for me, but for all peace builders across Africa and beyond, reminding us that our efforts are seen, valued, and is making impact. I am blessed But I'm here installed at the official presentation of the award, standing alongside fellow global champions of peace to reaffirm our shared commitment to building a more just, peaceful, and inclusive world. Once again, I extend my profound gratitude for this nomination and for the warm engagement we have had today. I assure you of my continued dedication to the ideas of peace, justice, democracy, and good governance and development. May peace continue to guide our path. I thank you all.